It is Christmas fact. What's going on, guys? It's Karl here, back with one of the final episodes of the year. It is Christmas time, the time to give back, and one of the biggest channel updates, I guess, of the year. It's been crazy, it's been hectic, and we've made it to the end of 2018. There have been so many changes for me this year, both my personal life, I got a new condo, I got a new car, I got to travel a ton. It has just been such an awesome year for growth, and just big thanks to everyone that's kind of stuck around and watched my face. I know that I'm not always the easiest person to watch and not the most consistent here on YouTube, but try to keep you guys updated. This video though is all about giving back to you guys. We've got some very important tech Christmas gift guide winner updates from all of my best tech gift guide series. And of course, we are getting to our little Insta exclusive giveaway, which I did mention in all of those videos. The giveaway items are inside here. Let's though get to, of course, those winners first. We had 6 different episodes of the Christmas gift guide. Each of those, of course, will be announced. Christmas gift ideas under 25 bucks. Please forgive me if I have mispronounced your name. Winner for 25 bucks is Bavsh. I got a hard one. Bavesh Agrawal. Under $50, we've got LF Patan. Congrats. Under 100 bucks, we've got Devang Meta. Thank you so much for entering this competition. Under $150, we've got Quang Wu. Thank you very much. That gift is being sent out. This is the one where I screwed up on. Under 250 bucks, I forgot to set a new Gleam link. We'll just pick a winner from the comment section on YouTube, shown right now. And the big kahuna, under 1,000 bucks. This was the most expensive gift guide episode that I've done. Araceli Montez. Thank you very much. That is 6 winners for 6 different episodes of the holiday gift guide. Of course, we have this Insta exclusive, which I've got here. I did end up partnering with my very good friends at Rogers. They almost had an advent calendar where every single day I did a quick little mini unboxing. So if you guys have been following my gift guide videos, you know that I have an Insta exclusive giveaway. It's gonna be a daily unboxing, and you can kind of see it right there. Let's get to the first item. So as today is the 5th, we've got 2 boxes. The first is the Huawei P20 Pro, one of my favorites, and of course the MediaPad T3. First is a Google Home Mini, perfect for getting started. And the second, my boy, staying healthy, lean, and fit, Gordon Ramsay. Coming back to my place, we've got gift number 5 and 6 from the Rogers box. This one is an Ignite mug, Ignite TV. And gift number 6 is a Google Pixel case. It's a phone. Follow me. But the big tech stuff that you guys wanted to see were the good old Pixel 3. We have the Huawei P20 Pro, and of course another Huawei MediaPad T3. So if you actually go on over to Instagram right now, right when this video is live, I will have a photo posing with this good old box. That is the 7th exclusive Insta giveaway. That's of course where you can win all of this sweet tech. Cannot guarantee that the chocolates will survive a trip in the mail. I've got some very big plans coming up in 2019. We actually have a dedicated studio space. No more recording inside of the condo. That is coming. We've got CES coming in the first week of January. So much craziness. I will be in Vegas for a week, checking out all the latest and greatest that's coming out in tech in 2019. And I wish I could thank you guys like I do in this episode. Every single episode absolutely means the world to me that you guys just put up with my face. I will try to stop rambling. I hope you guys are enjoying a very Merry Christmas. Whatever holiday you do end up celebrating, spend some time with family, friends, people that are important to you. Disconnect from the tech a bit. It is always important to do that. And a very big year coming up in 2019. Can't wait for you guys to join the rest of that journey. More chocolate is needed. That did not go to plan. Catch you in my next episode. Peace.